Okay, so this is the Springdale Summerlin mini series. There's a couple things here to note. Obviously, we made some upgrades on this trailer. Some of the upgrades were dual propane tanks, which is always nice. We use one propane tank for the RV and the other for the grill, so that's a great feature. Couple other things is the electric hitch thing. So it actually is electric, so you can go up and down without having to stress yourself. Although you do have the manual steps down here that we would normally open up, but I use a drill for that, so that makes it a little bit easier. And then plenty of storage in here that you can see. We'll come around to the other side here in a minute, but this one just came back from Port Aransas, so there's still a little bit of sand in here that I need to clean up. And then of course the canopy, which is right up here, which opens up, and then the inside, which we'll come around to. And then of course another view from the side. And then the back, we've got a spare tire covered, brand new tire. Got a couple other things here. We've got the water heater, it's gas. And then we have the freshwater plugs, black tank, gray tank. We also have the tires, which still have plenty of life. They're just a couple years old. We also have all the sewer and the gray right here available. Makes it real easy. Everything you need is right in here. And then on the other side of this pass-through storage, we've got all the hookups. So everything from the electrical to the water hookups right here. And it also comes with a couple fishing poles and a tackle box. So let's take a look at the inside. So the inside of the RV has a queen bed. So you can kind of see we have a nice little radio here, a little bit of storage with some drawers for you, storage above. And the secret here is that the pictures don't show, this is a memory foam mattress, which is very nice. It's probably as nice as your home mattress. Nice pull-up storage, very easy. We usually throw in a couple tables, boogie boards, the grill, chairs, whatever is needed. They'll all be stored in there. You also have some additional storage under here if needed on both sides. We've got the refrigerator right here, ready to go. Has a nice little frozen section here. And we typically will have it plugged in for you, so the refrigerator will be nice and cold. You've got your stove right here, 2-burner stove, plenty of utensils, the sink, all this comes with it. Also all of your dishes, Ziplocs, little spice rack, the microwave, the television. Television is amplified for antenna use. You also have plenty of storage in here for all your groceries that you want to put in, chips, as well as over here. We usually keep more Ziplocs, a couple other items, gloves for the sewer, extra toilet paper, all that's going to be in there. Pots and pans. So you'll be able to put your towels right in here. And pots and pans and additional storage for items. Then the bunk beds. So we have the bunk beds up here. They also have a memory foam for comfort. So you have a memory foam there. This one has a fan in case you need it. Light, as well as another memory foam. And then the bathroom has your toilet, waste. We'll put a brand new roll of toilet paper there for you. Little storage up here needed. And an upgraded shower head, as well as a really cool little area to dry off any of your wet items right there. So they'll drop right into the shower tub and drain. So if there's anything wet, perfect for towels or swim trunks, any of those items. So one last look. Oh, also a couple of utensils in here. And some miscellaneous items you might need.